apple smoothie. Hello friends, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. This is Saurabh and I'm here to share a new recipe which is a part of simple vegetarian cooking series of recipes. And I'm sure even a non-vegetarian would enjoy cooking and relishing it. So let's quickly start making apple smoothie. But before that, let's quickly note down the ingredients. Apples peeled and chopped, yogurt, strawberry crush. It's very simple to make this. You just have to take a mixie jar like this. Over here, I'm using apples which are peeled and then cut. So here goes in the apples. Generally what happens is apple tends to turn dark when they are cut or peeled. So whenever you have to keep apples after peeling or cutting, you should always use lemon juice which could be mixed in it, or even you can use sugar which could be mixed in it and kept aside. So over here, because I am using yogurt in the recipe, I had cut the apples initially and then I had kept it in lemon water. Water which was with a little bit of lemon juice. So here goes in the apples. After the apples, we would add yogurt. After adding the yogurt, we would add strawberry crush. Strawberry crush would give a nice and sweet taste to the smoothie. So after adding all these ingredients, we would just cover the jar, place it on the mixie and quickly churn it. After churning this nicely, now is the time to serve it. Over here, I have taken a glass. In this tall glass, I would add some ice cubes. After adding the ice, let's pour in the refreshing smoothie, nice and thick. So here it is, nice and thick apple smoothie just for you.